I wanted to cover this application, the preview application on a Macintosh. It is really fantastic. I'm surprised more people don't use this. So what I've got here is I've actually got a set of drawings and they're all out of order. And one of the things I like about preview, let's just hide this for a moment. Hide the sidebar. So you've got here just a standard PDF file, but all the drawings are out of sequence. If I turn on this option here, the thumbnails, I can actually see all the drawings. Now I know this is the cover sheet, that's O1, that should be at the top. So I can drag that and rearrange all of my drawings. That's number 2, that should be there. That's number 3. That's number 5. Where's number 4? That's number 4, so number 4 should be here before number 5. So 3, 4. No, wrong way around, so that goes 4, 5. What drawing's that? That's drawing 7. That's drawing 6, so that needs to go that way around. So we've got 7, 6, 5, 4, and 8, 9, 10, and I think that's all. So they're all in a good order. So what's the other trick that I've got for you? Over here, we've got another drawing, another series of these preview drawings. So I'm just going to bring all these timber casements to the front and the window installation details to the front, and number 2 to the front, and number 3 as well. So what I find is that I've accidentally deleted one of the pages from here, or I need to add another page to this document. So as long as I've got my thumbnails open, I can drag that document into the right place. I just need it to go down below. There it is there, and drop it. Now, if you noticed, you can actually see that page 11 move up and down, so I get that in the right place. I know I need this drawing here at the front. Now, it looks like I've already got one, so I'll just delete it. So there's my drawing. I need to put this drawing here, or this PDF file needs to go in front of that one. So I can drag the thumbnail, drop it in there, save the file, and it will update all of that stuff. These drawings are all the same at the moment, but what if I have another drawing open, like Tom's cottage here, and I need to add some of these drawings, which are a different size, to this project? So let's have a look. So I just select the ones that I want, click and drag, drop them onto there, and I should now have those drawings here as part of my PDF. Save the PDF and you've got everything you need together in that one PDF. So Preview, while it might be a simple and free program, is really powerful. You can use it for marking up. I'm not going to do this, but you can highlight notes, you can create markups and stuff like that. So there you are. I think that Preview is a fantastic program. It really allows me to drag and drop things around, so I can add that to my document. It's very quick, very fantastic, and you'll even notice that even though the drawings are different sizes, it doesn't matter. You can still stick them in and it works just fine. So have a look at that. If you've got a Macintosh, you've got Preview, and if you haven't got a Macintosh, I'm sorry, you'll have to stick with Adobe Acrobat. But if you're on a Mac and you've got Preview, please use that. It's really quick, and it'll allow you to combine all of your different PDF documents together into one single document. I've been Jonathan Pickup. Thanks for watching.